Today, we will talk about the factor market. The term factor market refers to the resources businesses use to produce goods or services, such as raw materials, land, labor, and capital. This market is also known as the input market, and it is where businesses obtain the resources they need. The factor market involves the exchange of resources between households and businesses. Workers make their services available to businesses in the factor market, and the wages they earn are then used to purchase goods and services in the consumer market. This market provides every component required to produce goods and services, from skilled labor to raw materials. The factor market and the goods and services market form a closed loop for the flow of money. Households supply labor to companies, which pay them wages that are then used to buy goods and services from companies. The factor market depends on the goods and services market, as increased demand leads to increased production and purchases of resources. The factor market is a defining characteristic of a market economy, where supply and demand determine resource allocation. In contrast, socialism relies on central economic planning to assign resources. Monopoly and monopsony are examples of market failures that disrupt the equilibrium of the factor market, as they inhibit competition and bargaining power. A market economy depends on three components: the factor market, the goods and services market, and the producers. The factor market supplies what producers need to create finished products, which are then purchased by end users. This creates a cycle of derived demand, where the factor market responds to consumer demand. The factor market is driven by demand in the goods and services market. Resources are obtained to satisfy the demand for products and services. Essentially, the consumer market dictates the factor market, as the resources needed to produce goods and services are created or obtained to meet consumer demand. Businesses are the buyers in the factor market, purchasing or hiring raw materials, land, or labor to produce their goods or services. Sellers in the factor market include producers of raw materials, as well as individuals offering their skills and labor in exchange for compensation. The factor market is divided into four components, known as the factors of production. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. In the view of economists, there are only two markets, the factor market and the goods and services market. 2. They also can be called the input market and the output market. 3. The input market supplies the resources needed to make finished products. 4. The output market buys and uses the finished products. 5. The factor market is driven by demand in the goods and services market. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.